Hey guys, a little bit different this time. It's not Honda. Follow is leaving the Civic and joining the new car. So out with the Honda and in with the Toyota. I've got a little Glanza V, which is going to be the new little toy to play with on the channel, and it's obviously going to be conveniently named Follow. So the Civic is essentially being parted out. So I've sold a bunch of the bits already locally and further afield throughout New Zealand, and I've still got a bunch there for sale. But although I don't have the Glanza with me, I have part of it, which is the throttle body here. So as you can possibly see, she's pretty grubby. So I'm going to give it the little once over just to get it all nice and tidy, so we can put it back on the car and then look to do the swap, if you like, or the exchange of vehicles with moving the Civic and the Glanza to their respective homes. There's going to be a few little bits I'm going to need for the Glanza, and a lot of things I want to do to it, and yeah, with OEM Plus in mind. I've got the old blowing up diagram here of some of the OEM bits that I'll look to replace, just with anything 90s, and especially turbo, things wear and tear, so I'll look to replace a few little bits and pieces. But the first task is clean this up. So I've got some good old Nylon throttle body and carby cleaner, so I'm going to give this a once over, and then I can take it around and actually fit it to the Glanza so that and reassemble it so it's drivable. And I'll look when the weather is a bit more suitable to bring her over home and into her new place of residence. So stay tuned as we I guess shift from the Honda gang and join the Toyota gang. Hee. Let's see how this goes. When you don't have advice, you improvise. Woohoo! Good old G clean. And last one, hopefully. Sweet, got it. Just gonna have a quick look in here and see what it looks like, see if it needs a bit of a clean as well. It's got a gasket, so I don't want to dig too deep in case I get myself into a situation there. I don't have a replacement gasket as such, so I don't really want to replace the gasket either, but I'll do that. Yep, that's all of them. might not open it. Might just give it a bit of a wipe, I reckon.